Hi everyone, I'm going to show you today how to add PC games to Hyperspin Attraction 2. It's a very incredible front end. First of all, you have to create a batch file that will show up like your, let's say, your ROM. So in order to do this, we go to the main directory of Hyperspin Attraction. You know, it's a portable, so it's all here. In collections, I will find the PC games, and there, ROMs, I will add my batch file. In this case, it's Final Vendetta. It's quite a rare game to have. In this case, it's a PC port of the original MVS game. I will copy from and paste from another file the syntax here. I will add the and game root is where it's installed in my PC. So the other syntax has just been copied from two files I will show you here. It's I'm not going to save it here. I know the Metroid 2 and Pac-Man. I'm not gonna save the files because I already made it. I want to not to mess up my PC, and so you just can copy from them. So second step is to update the ROM lists. You have to update whole systems.txt and PC games. You can find ROM lists in the directory. There is in the main, the root, it's ROM lists here. Up it's all systems. Just I'm gonna find the game. You can check if they already added in an update. In the case it not shows up, you have to add it. I add it in the here in alphabetical order, and I just wrote down the characteristics of the game, leaving the final part that I will show you after with the original syntax copied from another entry. Yeah, this is the right syntax to have there. So in the end, I'm gonna copy and paste what I wrote here in another file. I'm not gonna save it, but you have to save it in the PC games. It's always in ROM list. I go down to PC. I can just paste it where I like, but you know, in order to have it in order, I have to go to the alphabetical entry. And here I just paste it. I'm gonna save it. You're gonna save it. Now I go to the next step. We are now to set up RocketLauncher user interface to make it recognize our games. We will find in RocketLauncher the entry because we have modified the lists. It's gonna read launching RocketLauncher. It will take a while. And here we will go to the section named PC games on the left, and up there you can find there are many directories where games are installed. I already added from the plus the green plus on the right, add a new ROM path, and here you can search for the games. Anyway, it's not a mandatory passage. I made it just to be sure always worked well. Now I go to games and I select the system and I audit all games. Now I will filter only the existing ones, and I will find out that Final Vendetta shows up there. But our work is not finished here. We have to set the details for RocketLauncher OE to launch this game. I will find it in emulators. There I have to go where you can see the Red Bull joystick, and add the system-specific module settings. It's very important to click here because otherwise you will not know how to add the details. It will take a while, just wait. Here I already have the entry for Final Vendetta, and here are all the characteristics of this game. Anyway, I have to add it from the left. You can see the green cross, and I will add, let's say, Final Fantasy VIII. Add the new ROM setting. You can search here. Final Vendetta will not show up because I already added it. I will add another game. Let's say Final Fantasy VIII. Here we will just rewrite, copy and paste the syntax from other games we already have. So first thing to do is to insert the path, the ROM path. So I will insert here the directory, searching it on my PC where the game has been installed for the first time from the setup of the game itself. After, I have to go to the task pre-post launch, add 1000 here in sleep, and post exit I will copy exactly this module extension. I can copy it from Pac-Man or another Metroid or from another game and insert. Bezel, I don't need it because we not need any bezel because these are PC games. Here I will hide the console of RocketLauncher, so hide console true, and fade the title. I will insert the same script from another game. Just copy and paste it. Alright, so now we can change the name, remember to change the game name, and we can close it. It will automatically save the details. Now everything has been set up in a RocketLauncher, and we can verify that everything is okay. I'm gonna cancel it, but you don't have to do it because just I don't have that game, so I didn't want to mess up with wrong settings. And now everything is fine. We can just launch the game and try if it works. So here I added a logo in the ROM directory logo, and after I added even a scraper here in Snap. It's an FP4. I download it and I just put it here just to have the front end work fine and look fine. So let's launch Hyperspin Attraction and see how it works.
Meet Claire Sparks.